Hello everyone, my name is Zsolt Tiba from the Faculty of Engineering. In the following some minutes I am going to give a presentation about the faculty and the engineering programs. I would like to start with the main figures of the faculty, and I would like to highlight some very important data. The Faculty of Engineering was established 55 years ago, and 20 years ago we were integrated into the University of Debrecen. And the third very important data is 2012, when we started the first English program. And as you can see, we have almost 3,000 students at the faculty, and approximately 30% of the students are international students. So at the moment we have more than 800 students. We have actually 8 departments giving the different engineering programs. In the structure we have full-time, part-time students, undergraduate and graduate students. In the international students training we have actually only full-time programs, bachelor and master levels. In the international training we have altogether 4 bachelor programs and 5 master programs. The bachelor programs are civil engineering, mechanical engineering, mechatronics engineering, professional pilot, and next academic year we are going to start the vehicle engineering program. The common features of the bachelor programs that they are 7 semesters. Apart from the civil engineering program, it is 8 semesters long. And the number of the credit points 210. In the civil engineering, because it is 8 semesters long, it is 240 credit points. The engineering programs contain an internship program. It is a 6 weeks training after the 4th semester. It is a compulsory program for students, and it can be made either in Hungary, anywhere in Europe, or in the home country of the student. For this internship program, of course, students have to apply, and sometimes it is difficult because in Hungary the Hungarian proficiency is a prerequisite for getting this program or this status. The vehicle engineering program will be started in Hungarian language in 2020, this year, and 1 year later we are going to start in English as well, with 3 specializations: vehicle production engineering, automotive engineering, and aircraft maintenance engineering. The professional pilot program will be detailed later because it is a very special program at the university. Here I would like to emphasize that based on these bachelor programs, we offer master programs in engineering management, environmental engineering, urban system engineering, mechanical engineering, and electrical engineering. The specialty of these programs that for example, the engineering management and environmental engineering master program can receive engineers from any field, and the admission will be based on the bachelor degree and the credit recognition. We will check the bachelor programs and bachelor degrees, and we will determine the necessary courses must be completed in the 1st semester. So based on the bachelor degree and the credit recognition, we will make the admission procedure for the master programs, and we will determine the necessary courses. The pre-master courses must be completed during the 4 semesters training in the 1st semester. We have internship program as well in the master program. It is a 4 weeks program after the 2nd semester. The situation is the same like before, that it can be completed either in Hungary, European countries, or home country. I mentioned that we have a very special program. It is a professional pilot program. Together with the partner company PharmaFlight, we train pilots. Of course, we have pre-entry requirements. It is a medical certificate and a language certificate that must be completed until the middle of the second semester. It is a bachelor program, so after completing this bachelor program, students have the license to work as an aviation engineer. They have the CPL license, it is a commercial pilot license, multi-engine instrument rating, multi-crew cooperation training, and jet familiarization. As a professional pilot, they can make the ATPL, Airline Transport Pilot License, at National Transport Authority. So they are trained for making this exam or get the license based on the training and the training in the simulation or the simulator. So I would like to speak about the development of the engineering programs. Actually, 30 years ago, Debrecen and the region was an agriculture region, but today it is a very well developed industrial area. As you can see, we have some strategic partners from Germany, USA, China. Based on this cooperation with different international companies, we have a government program to develop the engineering field. You may know that BMW is establishing plant in Debrecen this year, and the government has a special program for developing the engineering training. The campus of the Faculty of Engineering will be reconstructed. We will have a new building wing with new laboratories, and close to the BMW company we will have a research center. And based on the cooperation with this company, we will start, or we are going to start the vehicle engineering program this academic year in 2020 with 3 specializations: vehicle production, automotive engineering, and aircraft maintenance. The other field of the government program is supporting the aviation engineering training. We started in 2018 the professional pilot program, and we have some other programs in preparation. For example, flight control bachelor program, aviation management, and ground service and transportation bachelor program. We have, of course, very conventional, traditional bachelor programs like the engineering programs. We have a laboratory background for them. And as I mentioned, we have the partner company, the PharmaFlight. There we have simulators for Boeing and Airbus aircrafts. And the trainings, the flight trainings are made by this partner company, and the instructors for the flight training are provided by the partner company. Research fields of the faculty, some of them are supported by the European Union. They are very big research projects, and due to the current situation, we have new research programs based on the automotive industry. For example, electric hybrid drivetrain development, and for example, electric garbage truck development. Faculty of Engineering has a very vibrant student life. Our students are working on a lot of projects, and they are taking part in international competition. So for example, Formula 1 race car building competition, robots programming, bridge construction from spaghetti. Scholarship programs, very important for the students to have the opportunity to take part in scholarships program. Of course, you know the Hungarian scholarship program. After starting the program, based on the academic achievement, you can apply for tuition fee reduction program. And of course, the Erasmus program and CIPUS programs are very well known. We have partner universities in Europe. It is a most important university list. And I have to speak about the degree recognition accreditation. All of the bachelor and master programs are accredited in Hungary following the European standards. Of course, in some countries, the engineering association recognize a degree if it's included in the FEANI database. It is the European Engineering Education Database. So actually, at the moment, we are working on this administrative measure to get for this database to be accredited by the FEANI. So what can you make after getting the bachelor or master degree? So actually you can apply for master program, PhD program anywhere in the world, because this degree is accepted everywhere. Or you can apply for a job, for example, in Hungary as well. So that's why I would like to emphasize the importance of the Hungarian training, Hungarian language study, because to get a job, for example, in Hungary, it is in general a prerequisite to speak Hungarian language. So thank you for your kind attention, and I hope I gave very important information about the engineering programs and the Faculty of Engineering. Thank you very much.